In this video, I'll show you how to cancel your subscription in Docusign using a clear and practical step-by-step method. After logging in, head to the admin section and open Plan and Billing, where you'll find details about your current subscription. From there, you can locate the cancel option and follow the on-screen prompts to complete the process. Before canceling, it's important to review your billing cycle, any remaining charges, and whether you actually need to downgrade instead of fully cancel. Also, make sure to save or download any important documents, as access to certain features may be limited afterward. While the process is generally straightforward, some plans or regions may have slightly different steps or restrictions. Overall, Docusign keeps cancellation manageable, but taking a moment to review everything can prevent issues later. Subscribe for more honest, practical tech tutorials that help you make smarter decisions.